When both your parents are doctors, you don't get to choose the profession. The society already assumes that yes, the child of course is going to be the doctor. कुछ ऐसी सिमिलर स्टोरी भव्या की भी है जिन्होंने कहीं ना कहीं सोसाइटी से ये आंसर जरूर सुना कि आई हैव टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर बिकॉज बोथ माई पेरेंट्स आर डॉक्टर्स. लेट्स हियर द स्टोरी फ्रॉम द गर्ल हरसेल्फ, जहाँ पे आज वो अपने डैड के साथ आई हैं. वेलकम टू बोथ ऑफ यू. हेलो.
हेलो.
Before getting into the serious questions and debates, एक बहुत ही आसान सा सवाल I'll start with. What are your hobbies? I mean, I know you're super intelligent and obviously you're studying really hard. So what are your hobbies when you're not studying?
I like to go out in the evenings and play basketball with my friends. While inside, I like to play the flute. And in general, I just like singing, dancing. But मतलब वो तो parties में गए तो होता ही है.
So देखा आपने कि सिर्फ इट्स जस्ट नॉट अबाउट स्टडीज बट हॉबीज हर स्टूडेंट की होती ही है. अच्छा, एक चीज़ और है, लाइक आई सेड इन द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑल्सो कि बोथ योर पेरेंट्स आर डॉक्टर्स, सो ऑब्वियसली एक ऑटोमेटिक प्रेशर होता है कि डॉक्टर ही बनना पड़ेगा. डिड यू ऑल्सो फील दैट?
I did feel that. It was like whenever someone asked me what you want to become, it was always followed by, अच्छा तुम तो डॉक्टर ही बनोगी, your parents are doctors. So there was always this thing that I don't want to become a doctor because everyone was expecting that of me. But I guess when I came in class 9th and 10th and I really explored my options, what felt best for me was finally medicine. So that's how I decided that I want to choose this field.
ओके, सो व्हेन यू डिसाइडेड मेंटली कि आपको डॉक्टर ही बनना है, सो आपकी लाइफ में उस हिसाब से आपके पूरे गोल को अकम्प्लिश करने के लिए आकाश बायजूस का क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन था?
वेल आई बिलीव कि नीट का पैटर्न इतना तो ईजी है कि मैं घर से सिर्फ स्कूल से पढ़ाई करती तो अच्छा परफॉर्म कर लेती. बट आकाश एज अ कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट इट रियली गेव मी दैट पुश, दैट ड्राइव, दैट येस आई कैन परफॉर्म बेटर बिकॉज वीकली टेस्ट्स होते थे, टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑलमोस्ट डेली टेस्ट्स होते थे, डाउट क्लासेस होती थी एंड एक फिर वो एनवायरनमेंट मिल जाता है, मोटिवेशन मिल जाता है दैट येस आई कैन परफॉर्म बेटर एंड आई शुड परफॉर्म बेटर एंड देयर आर सो मेनी रिसोर्सेज टू यूज, सो मेनी क्वेश्चन बैंक्स, सो मेनी मॉक टेस्ट पेपर्स. सो they took my performance from where it was like 70-75% to that 100%.
Interesting. So sir, my next question is to you. I want to know, क्या आप भी यही चाहते थे कि भव्या डॉक्टर बने?
No, not at all. I pushed her to all the fields. Like gave her exposure to an engineering college. We went to IIT Kanpur. I took her to a medical college, a law college, so that she can actually see what are the nitty-gritties of everything. Like she went to the engineering colleges laboratories also, and actually she qualified for a competition organized by the IIT Kanpur, and she got the opportunity to visit that campus. So before that it was like plus minus, I can go to engineering college also, but after visiting all the places she made it a firm decision that she has to become a doctor. But we never pushed her to become a doctor. Like you said, society wants to see doctor parents child becoming doctors. We never did that.
So भव्या, फ्यूचर में क्या प्लान्स हैं? You want to become a doctor. Have you really decided कि what exactly it is going to look like?
I haven't really thought much about it. अभी तो MBBS करूँगी तो सारे कोर्सेज से एक्सपोजर मिलेगा, तभी डिसाइड होगा कि कहाँ इंटरेस्ट है. बट अभी जितना थोड़ा पढ़ा है उससे आई नो दिस दैट मे बी आई वांट टू डू कार्डियोलॉजी और न्यूरोलॉजी मे बी.
So Bhavya, a lot of students are waiting to get inspired from you, and I'm sure you would have had your set of struggles and difficulties. Is there any tip or advice you want to give to those students जो अभी आपको सुन रहे हैं इस moment?
What I have seen a lot of other students do is when they start their preparation, the 2-year preparation, they really cut themselves off from their friends and from all kinds of activities, from all internet, TV, सब cable cut हो जाता है, phone जो है different हो जाता है. I never did that because I always knew I needed an out. I always knew that I have to go outside in the evening and talk to my friends. थोड़ा बहुत I have to watch TV. So I just feel if someone cuts themselves off from everything, it builds an unnecessary kind of stress and pressure on the student, and when they really need someone and when they really need help, they're not able to approach anyone. So I feel that every student should have a healthy release because this kind of studies, 2-year rigorous preparation along with coaching really puts a lot of pressure on students. So I guess what I'd like to say is take care of your mental health. Talk to your friends. Don't cut yourself off completely. Obviously, you've always got to know that you don't have to get distracted. But an important thing is that you need a healthy release.
Sir, I have a question for you. जब आपने ये freedom दी भव्या को to choose her profession, तो when she decided, तो आपकी life में, in fact भव्या की life में आकाश बायजूस का क्या contribution रहा?
Yeah, see, Akash as an educational institute, they put a lot of efforts with their children, the students who are studying them. So, in the last 3 months, what I realized, the faculty has put enormous efforts. They are making question papers every day. So, and they're making question papers, then checking them, and then releasing the answer keys, and then computing the marks of every student, and then making a merit list, and then publishing. Hats off to the faculty of the Akash Institute.
So, did you see that how important it is to have little bit of freedom and liberty from your parents, and in fact, खुद का decision choose करने की power होना कहीं ना कहीं एक confidence build up कर देता है. So we have a very gorgeous doctor coming in future. We are waiting for her to become a doctor. लेकिन ऐसी inspiring stories आपका wait कर रही हैं. For that, you can visit akash.ac.in.